Hi guys! In this video we're going to be talking about how to calculate the atomic mass of an atom. The atomic mass is equal to the number of protons and neutrons in the atom. We do not include the number of electrons because the mass of electrons is so small that you really wouldn't be able to feel the difference whether they were there or not. So we're only going to count the number of protons and neutrons that are inside the nucleus. So for example, in this atom, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the mass of this atom is 13 grams per mole. Now you don't have to worry about what exactly that means. Just know that the units are grams per mole. Alright? Let's do some practice problems.